Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Nissan Rogue SV all-wheel drive, stock number E1926P. 39,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Arctic blue metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5, cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean, as you can see. This SV has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in a perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And there's of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those media devices. Automatic transmission. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's material. Under the hood, this Rogue has a 2.5 liter, 4-cylinder, 170 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 25 miles to the gallon, and a city average of 32 on the highway, and approximately 60% of tire tread left. For more information on this Rogue, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.